Hi boys and girls, it's Miss J. I wanted to check in with you this week on by doing a workbook page with you. So this is kind of new. Miss J has a tripod and a little clicker that gets us started, and we're going to give that a try. Parents, if you've not had a chance to check closely at the workbook pages, right down here are some directions on how to do the workbook pages, and it kind of gives you a sense of what it is that we want your children to do on every page that we assign. Hopefully you're able to get to these. Most of your children have done lots of these pages already, so many of them are very familiar with the work that we're doing, so it should go pretty easily. So today I'm going to start on this page here, and boys and girls, remember every couple pages or so, I want you to practice writing your name on your paper. Okay, first name and last name, because you have to be ready for first grade. So remember, we want you to use all the lines. Those are clues for you. You start at the top, this is the middle line, and this is the bottom line. So you should not be writing sloppy or messy. Every time you're writing or working and practicing, you should be writing nice and neat. Your first grade teachers want you to be ready for first grade, and they expect you to write your best, okay? So I'm going to start by writing a name up here, and it's a friend from Mrs. Morgan's class, and his name is Marzook. So I'm going to start with a capital M. Remember, everybody's name is a proper noun, so we would need to start with a capital M, and then the rest of Marzook's name is going to be small letters, so I have to use this dotted line right here. M-A-R. Now notice that I'm going slow so that I'm writing carefully. Z-U-Q. Now you should be writing your first name, okay? Go ahead and write your first name right now. If you need to pause the video at any time, go ahead and do that, and then you can start again, okay? All right, now I'm going to write Marzook's last name. Now remember, his first name gets a capital letter and his last name gets a capital letter. So we're going to put a space in here, and then I'm going to start. His last name starts with a capital A. And then I'm going to keep writing. And now the rest of the letters are small. Okay? Now if you make a mistake, if I wrote my N sloppy, I would just want to erase it and go back and write it nice and neat. Okay? A-M-I-N. All right. If you need a minute, remember you can pause the video so that you can finish writing your name. Now remember, do that on every couple of pages or so. You don't have to do it every single page, but every couple of pages, okay? All right. So these two words, she, all, are part of the 6 words that we have for this week for our sight words, okay? So the other 4 are on the next page. Number 1, here we go. Are you ready? Can we blank fit? Notice that's a question mark, so my voice went up. That means I need to use some expression and change my voice to show that I'm asking a question. Can we blank fit? And I'm looking at this picture over here, and I see a mom and her son and daughter, and they were looking at that red chair. I'm wondering if they want to sit in that chair. Can we she fit? That didn't make sense. Can we all fit? That one made sense. So I'm going to write the word all nice and neat in the lines, okay? Nice and neat. Now it's not at the beginning of a sentence. Here's my capital, so all of these letters should be small. Number 2, help me read it, will you? Blank will sit. Blank will sit. Let's look at the picture. Oh, I see Mom decided to have a seat in the chair. All right, so is it she will sit or all will sit? Did you say she? That's right. Now, notice that this blank line is at the beginning of the sentence, so we have to start with a capital letter, okay? She, so we need a big S, a capital S, she, S-H-E. Remember, you're writing neatly, no sloppy work. She will sit. Great job. Number 3, now we can blank fit. Now we can blank fit. Oh, look what the children did. They sat on her lap. Now we can she fit. Now we can all fit. What one made sense? I think you said all. Is that what I heard? Now we can all fit. Remember, these are all lowercase letters because this is in the middle of the sentence. Here's my capital letter. Did you notice that exclamation point right there? So your voice should sound excited. Now we can all fit. Great job, friends.